Is Island of Word really an easy way to potentially earn $500 by playing word games on your phone, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and several of my viewers have recently asked me about this app, so I decided to test it myself. And in this Island of Word review, I'll give you an inside look and show some very important details you need to know before you download this app. So let's start by going over who we can join. And Island of Word is an app that is currently only available for Android devices. So if you have an iOS device, you cannot join. Then I have a video about some great ways to earn from an iOS device. Instead, I'll leave that in the top corner here so you can find a link for that. But if you have an Android device, you can join this game or download it from more or less all countries as far as I've been able to find out. But before doing that, please watch this full review so you know what you need to consider. So let me now log in and then I will show you everything. So I have now logged into Island of Word, and at first sight it looks very cool because it's just this word game. You can see up here I won $12.50. It took me like 10 minutes or something like that, so it looks quite promising. And down here you can see that you get a chance to win $500 every 4 games you play. So let's look at that. So the game itself, I just click there, level 7 there, so I need to just kind of like pull it around there and spell them. The different words there, so then you just see that's it. Then I finished it and then I can scratch, and this is then where I win. And even here it says I can win up to $250, but I didn't. I got 3 of these stars instead, and then I need to receive it, and then it says that it can collect cookies and things like that. I will show you later why I do not want these to collect anything on my phone, and because I do not want to agree to anything from this one. That's just because I do not feel safe about that. I'll tell you why later. But anyways, then spammy ads comes up. That's how it is every time you play. That's how they make money. So let me just finish that ad and then I'll come back. So you see, and then I'm just next level. Then I can just keep playing like that. Once in a while, I will get some coins. I'll get these diamonds. Other times I'll get cash when I scratch there. And then once you played 4 games, you can see, then I get the chance to also scratch. It was the same way to earn $500. Of course, you have to be lucky to get those $500, but theoretically it could be possible. And there's also some different games or lottery tickets you can get there and potentially win good money. You can see also $500 potentially here, or $50. So it all looks very promising, but let's now talk about this because I have these $12.50 here in my account. So can I then get paid? Let's check that out. So when I go to my wallet, you can see there's a small question mark, and then it says here I need to view the balance. That's what I'm doing. Then here it says you can redeem once you have at least $7 in your wallet. Well, you saw yourself. Let me just show you again here. I have $12.50 in my wallet. So then see what happens. Reach $7 to redeem. No matter what I click, reach $7 to redeem. Well, I have $7 in my account, and it actually surprised me a little bit because usually platforms like this or apps like this where clearly they just have these exaggerated earning methods and things like this where I can win hundreds of dollars easily. So then at least when you reach it, first of all, they usually make the payout threshold a lot higher and makes it look like you earn hundreds of dollars, and then once you reach it, they try to charge you and things like this. But here, no, I can't even, they're not even trying to do that. They're just trying to get me to watch ads so they can earn. And I don't know if people will then, once they try here, they just if they just want to keep watching ads or so. But you see, I can't get paid. So I reached the payout threshold. There's no more information. And when you go to the help section, there's no way to actually get proper help, right? There is no contact information. There's nothing. Huge red flag also. But there's one more red flag. So let me just close down the app and then we'll talk about that also. So when you go to Google Play where you can download it, then you will see on your phone, I'm on a computer right now because it's just easier to show that here, but on your phone you will see it says early access, and it's always a huge red flag when an earning app is in early access, because this app has been in early access for many months, and most of the fake earning apps are like that, because the reason why they are like that is you can see there are no reviews, because when they are in early access, people cannot leave reviews, and that means people can't tell that you actually won't get paid, and many people don't pay attention to this. They just see like, oh, early access, and then they do it. They don't notice that there's no negative reviews, but there's also no positive because they've closed down for that. I have no idea why Google Play allows apps like this. Clearly, they're not going to pay you, and they stay in early access for months, sometimes years. And I still don't understand why it's allowed to have apps like this in the Play Store. But anyways, that's how it is, and that's part of why I make these videos, to educate you about which apps to stay away from and which apps are actually legit ways to earn. So to sum it all up, Island of Words is just full of red flags. As you can see, you will not get paid. You will just be wasting your time. If you want to earn by playing games on your phone, there are legit ways to do that. You will not earn $500 per day or anything like that, but you will actually get paid. I do have a list of the best ways to earn by playing. I also do have a video about it, so I'll leave links to that below. Then you can either watch it video or read it, depending on your preferences. But I would encourage you to check those out instead if you want to earn by playing, because Island of Word is definitely a complete waste of time. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time on this video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.